Hello everyone, this is Harshita from CAD NEST. So today in this video, let us learn about monthly statement. So you can see I have already kept the table ready. So here we have to find out discount rate, fees offered and balance. So let us see what the formula for discount rate first. So the formula for discount rate is equal to actual fees into discount percent. So the formula for discount rate is equal to actual fees into discount percentage is the formula for discount rate. So next it is fees offered. So the formula for fees offered is equal to actual fees minus discount rate. Formula for fees offered is equal to actual fees minus discount rate. So then next one, it is to find balance. So to find balance, the formula is equal to fees offered minus registration fees minus first installment minus second installment minus third installment enter. So the formula to find balance is equal to fees offered minus registration fees minus first installment minus second installment minus third installment. Though there is no money in third installment, I'll have to specify that also. So same way, so you can see same formula is applied for the below one. This is what about monthly statement. For more videos, do subscribe our channel. Hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you.